guys, welcome to our channel.
We are
a family with a twist.
Today we are going to be making slime for our first video. So we have shaving cream, paint, lipstick, Play-Doh, lip gloss, eyeshadow, and glitter.
We have numbers here in a little cup. We're going to draw a number and see what we get.
We can pick any color that we want. Glue.
Alright, here we go.
Let's start putting the glue in. We should have took off the top first. Use a spatula.
That's not going to work. We'll get it.
You got this.
There we go. Now we can roll.
Don't put too much.
I'm ready for some slime. I don't know about you. There we go.
I've got slime on it. I mean glue. It's not slime yet.
A little
Go
bit
ahead and
more
put the activator. You can go first. So you can
Oh
open
boy.
it. Don't put too much. I don't know if it's strong or not. We can always
Ooh.
put. Mom, we can put some more if we need it. If
Okay.
it's sticky.
Alright, gotcha. Whoa.
Now we're gonna mix it up. See if it
The
becomes.
slime is sliming.
Yep, it's forming. It's gonna be white for now because it has air bubbles in it when you mix it. So it might be white, but it will clear up after a couple days or so. So then it will be crystal clear.
Ooh. Right.
I think we'll need
I
some
think
more
I know a little
activator.
more. Oh yeah.
We have to go in and knead it with our hands sometimes.
Oh yeah.
Look at mine.
That's cool.
You have to go in and knead it with your hands sometimes.
Yeah, mine's still a little sticky.
So is mine. You have to like mix in the activator when it starts getting slimier. I think mine maybe just need a little bit more.
Yeah, mine's not ready.
Either is mine.
Clickety clickety.
Stickety more like it.
Alright. I think we're ready to roll.
I am. Don't know about you. I'm getting some stuff out. We're just gonna have.
I don't think mine's ready yet.
Mine almost is. What should we do with our bowls when we're done with them? Just kind of. Whatever. My slime's almost ready. How about you?
Emojis.
What'd you get?
Number 2, so that means I get to pick up paint.
What color are you gonna go for? There's greens, blues,
my
everything.
favorite color.
There's also a dark green. Just put it back over there when you're done.
Your turn.
Pick. 5. Lip gloss. Let me open this. You have to take the cover off. You have to take that off. What do we use to put it in? Finger. Okay, I got something. Get it out now. It's green.
My favorite color. That's cool.
I kind of like green. I like this shade of it.
Some cool sparkling in there. Glossy.
Yep. You can go ahead and move on real quick.
Alright.
Set it off to the side because there's none left. What'd you get?
And I got number 6.
Eyeshadow.
Let's see what we got. Let's do.
What's that color?
It's like a
Grayish green.
greenish color. See?
You can use that. Here you go.
Ooh.
Ooh. It's more like a gray.
It's kind of like a forest green.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Surprise, surprise.
6.
All right, you get one too.
I'm gonna do pink. If I can get it opened. Can you open it for me?
Sure.
Thank you.
There you go.
Pink. Oh, it's hard to get out. Gotta get
Scrapey, scrapey, scrapey. There you go. All right. Do one more and then we're gonna stir this up a little bit.
Yep, see what?
Number 7, I get sparkles.
What color do you want?
I would like the silver, please.
That's the one that I was gonna do if I got 7 soon. I love the color silver. It's pretty. Did you not
Brand
open
new
that one?
ones.
I thought somebody opened it.
Oh,
Need help?
I got it. Thank you though.
Mine's in.
Woo!
Oh, it's mine? Oh, you didn't wait till I got third one.
Oh, you're okay. Just go ahead. I'm just gonna mix some of this up real quick.
3. I got a lipstick. Pink. Got some lipstick this time. Okay. Got
I
some
don't
lipstick,
think I
Mom.
got that very well.
Mom, I got some lipstick.
Cool beans.
I'll mash it up.
All right. Let's see what else we got. All right. Oh, wait a second. You get yours mixed up.
Okay, you can wait if you want.
Love the green. Love the green. Love the
I
green.
did too. Mine's pink, look.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm turning pink! The lipstick made me pink!
Mine looks like a froggy green.
Look at this!
That is so cool.
I know!
What do you think, guys?
Yeah. What do you think of our slime so far?
Pretty cool.
It's Manny the monkey!
guys. He's always up to surprises.
He's always up to some monkey business.
You never know what he's gonna do.
Yeah. Oh no, what's he
Oh
doing?
no.
Oh no!
Oh no. He's giving us a
Okay, put it in
surprise.
That's not good.
I'm afraid now.
Now he's laughing. That must be something bad.
Bye, Manny.
See what you bring us.
See you soon.
Mom, look at this.
That is cool.
Mine's such a vibrant
All
pink.
right, let's see what's next, guys. I got number 4. So that
Play-Doh.
means I get a Play-Doh.
What color are you going to choose?
It's a
Blue.
bluish
color. Ooh, it's beautiful. Sometimes
Oh.
Play-Doh melts your slime sometimes.
Oh, wow. This is going to be cool. Your turn.
Yep.
What we got?
2 got paint.
Oh, wow. What color are you going to go with?
Do purple. Is
Purple.
it open? Yeah. Gotta make sure because the glitter wasn't open. Don't want too much because I want it to be like a magenta, pinky purple
All right,
color.
let's see what we got here. Oh boy.
I'm turning pink.
I get a
Guys,
surprise from Manny.
guys, I'm turning pink.
Oh my, what could he bring for me?
Oh no, I'm scared for you, Mom. What is it?
Oh, what's it gonna be? Where's Manny? Oh, there he is.
Wonder what's in
Oh
there.
no.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Ah!
What is that?
It's Cocoa Pebbles.
No! You Manny the monkey.
Oh, Manny.
So evil.
You're so silly.
rude.
Oh, this is gonna be crispy.
My turn. Man. Number 4.
Oh no.
I got Play-Doh
Manny.
too. Oh.
What did you do?
Once you're done, you can add more activator. Mom.
Goodness.
Do you need more activator?
I think so.
Here you go. I'm gonna put purple Play-Doh, Mommy. I got.
Oh, cool.
Ooh.
Oh, Manny, you're so silly.
Why is that like rubber? It's like rubbery. Did you put two things in too?
Oops.
Time for the mix. Got some purple Play-Doh and purple paint in here. Mixing it up. See what color it will be. Probably like a. Ooh, that's sticky now.
Oh, my.
Manny the monkey.
Manny's so silly. Oh, Manny's so silly.
Look at this.
Oh, yours is so
It's
pretty.
magenta.
I really don't know what to think of mine.
It looks like you got some poop in there. What did you do to it? Ooh.
It's chunky.
So is mine. Mine's kind of chunky too because the Play-Doh won't mix it. Ooh, it's getting sticky. The Play-Doh.
All right.
I
I gotta draw another one.
Mom, the Play-Doh's melting mine.
Let's see what we got in here.
Turn purple and pink.
Number 1, yes!
Shaving cream.
Woohoo!
Can you get it open?
Maybe.
Woo!
Pop.
Shake it up.
Here's your
Shake
lovely
it,
fluffy
shake it.
slime.
It makes it. I'm getting slime all over my. 7. What's 7? The
7
glitter.
is the glitter.
Ooh.
Ooh,
We're
yeah.
gonna do silver. I like the silver. It's pretty. Some silver up in there.
This is pretty cool.
Look at mine.
Wow,
It's
you're
so-
glittery.
I silvered it.
What do you think, guys?
Silver.
Oh, I got some slimy slime.
Sometimes shaving cream activates glue. Sometimes has to be a certain type of glue. Oh, mine's sticky.
All right, one more.
You got one
Oh.
more left?
Nope, I have 2.
Oh, okay.
And it's gonna be number 3, so I get the red lipstick.
I took the pink. I might have the Manny Monkey Surprise or shaving cream left.
Oh, wow.
I'm afraid for the Manny Monkey Surprise what you got.
I got some chunky slime.
Yep, got some.
Your turn.
1 shaving cream. Got it. Stuck to me. Whatever. Okay. Let's mix her up. Feels so fluffy.
I got some major slime.
Whoa.
Sticky slime going on.
Yeah, I can see that. It's melting! Something melted mine. What was that?
That's lid. It's cool.
Whoa, this looks cool.
All right, I'm gonna let you go again.
Yeah, I'm scared. No, you!
No, you. Go ahead.
No, it's in order. You.
All right. What do I have? Number 5. I get a lip gloss with this cute little cactus.
Messy. Mom, look at my hands.
Ah! That's what happens when you have slime on your hands.
Can you open my sink for me? Oh, no.
Yeah, okay.
See what it is.
Yeah, this isn't working.
Oh no, it's the Manny Monkey Surprise! It's not good, Mom.
You got Manny's surprise?
Yeah, I wonder where it is.
Hey, Manny's back! He's always
no.
monkeying around. Hey, Manny!
Oh, I'm sticky. Oh, you got some.
Oh, let's see what you got.
No! We got the same.
That's too
Oh,
funny.
I need activator. Can you put some in my bowl, Mom?
Whoa.
Oh, I don't like this. It feels weird.
It's crunchy.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's weird. It feels. Ew, it smells.
chunky slime.
It smells disgusting.
Ooh.
Magenta slime, and she turned out with green.
Let's see what we got.
Once we get ours mixed up and all activated, we'll show them and do some tests on them. You don't know, do you? The tests. You don't know slime tests. But I do. Can you pass me the activator?
Sure.
It's starting to come off my hand some. Manny's rude. He's crazy.
Silly, silly Manny.
Really silly. He's just crazy. Cocoa pebbles, cereal.
Chocolatey.
They smell good. You dropped some of your slime there. Now it's kind of turning like into a brownish pink color. Ugh, what color
I
was?
still can't get my.
Need help?
It's stuck.
Oh. I think we need some personal assistance, maybe.
All right, I got it. Oh, cool! It's a
What is it?
sparkly purple,
What is it?
glittery
Ooh, that's cute.
lip gloss.
So I don't really know about our slimes. Comment down below how you think they are.
Yeah, let us know what you think.
And what do you think about Manny?
Yeah, what do you think about Manny? Isn't he cool?
Or crazy.
He's always
Monkeying
coming
around.
up with a new surprise. You never know what he's gonna do.
Yeah. Can you pass me the activator? Mine's still pretty, even though it has like, I can't even see the cereal.
Okay, I got you.
You can't even see the cereal on mine unless you like do that.
Mine kind of looks like
Cactus.
Incredible Hulk green.
Yeah. Trying to get all this Play-Doh mixed in there. Has your Play-Doh mixed in?
It's still chunky.
Same here.
What do you think, guys?
What do you think?
Pretty chunky, chunky, chunky.
Yeah? Might need more. Ah! It's flying everywhere. I might be almost done with it.
I don't
Maybe.
know, mine's pretty colorful with some chunks in it.
Oh, it's getting sticky again. The Play-Doh keeps melting it.
Alright, let's get this out of here out of the way.
Can you pass me a little bit more activator, Mom? Still chunky. Chunky.
I'm gonna make a little hole, make a little pond.
Where'd you set your bowl?
Oh, it's smooth. Woo!
Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know how I'm reacting to this slime right now. I think mine's almost done. How about you? Just got some Play-Doh
It's
chunks.
got some chunks in it.
Got like, oh. Think.
Like I said, I got me some incredible awesome, some incredible Hulk green going on
What do you
here.
think mine is?
Purple, pink, magenta.
Yeah,
All right,
that's crazy. Want to do some slime tests?
give it a shot.
I need more activator. I need more activator. This
Another hole.
Same here. How do you have red stuff in there? Oh,
It's my lipstick.
I just remembered. I thought you got pink. I forgot. It looks kind of orangey now.
Yeah.
It's crazy that what Manny did.
Right? He's so silly.
Comment down below how you think about Manny is and how our slimes are. What do you think about him?
Don't forget to like.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be posted every time we get a new video out.
Yes,
remember
comment.
to
Let us know what
subscribe.
you think of this.
Remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button.
Woo!
Do you want to do some slime tests now?
Yeah. Chunkies.
Do you want to do some slime tests now, Mom?
Sure.
My fart. So, just kind of put it like this.
Just do.
You got lipstick here.
It's fine.
And just kind of do this.
Yours is pretty clicky.
Yeah. And then make a bubble. You try. I still got some cereal in here. Got a little. Did you get
Not good on the bubbles.
Let's try one more time. Oh.
Mine's not so good. It's so chunky.
So is mine. So now we're gonna just take a little piece from it and just sit that up there. And then now we're gonna just keep doing this. And then we're gonna swirl it.
Ooh.
It's called an Instagram swirl. Look at mine. Mine was. Okay, rate our slimes. What are they? Comment down below. Wonder where that monkey.
Thanks for watching us today, guys.
I wonder where Manny
Hope
is.
you enjoyed our video, and we hope to see you soon
I
again.
wonder where Manny is.
We'll be making more.
Oh,
Manny!